Hey guys, what's going on? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you to make this really simple origami tunnel I just designed. And what's really cool about it is that the two ends are both completely different shapes. And yeah, so this end is a heart, and this end is a diamond, like this. And yeah, I think it's really cool, and you can look through it. And it's so cool how the other end looks different from both sides. And yeah, and now I'm going to show you to make it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. But you could try it from a sheet of print paper cut square. Or probably any dimension of paper. Okay, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Okay, and now unfold, and now fold to the crease. Okay, unfold, and now fold to the crease again. Okay, unfold, and repeat on this side. So to the middle. And to the crease you just made. Okay, unfold. Alright, now rotate like this, and now we're going to fold this up. It's not really that important, but just a little bit like this. This is just what locks the two ends together. And repeat on this side. And try and match what you did here. Well, it doesn't matter how much you fold it up. Maybe if you fold it up more, it'll probably shorten it. But just do it about like this. Okay, now unfold. Alright, and now let's attach the two ends together. So we're gonna overlap one unit like this. So we're gonna make this raw edge align with this nearest crease. Okay, and now, and this is the hardest part. So now we're gonna fold this whole rim inside, right on the existing crease, and try and keep the layers together as much as possible. Okay, and fold it in, just like that. Okay, so that side is good, and now we're gonna do it on this side too. Yep, and this is like a game. Trying to keep everything together. Oh, that came undone. Yeah, see, this is tricky. But just put it back in there. And just try and hold it there. There we go. Alright, now make these folds. Like this. It can be kind of delicate right here, so be careful. Okay. So here we have the diamond tunnel. Oh, yep. Alright, so here's the diamond tunnel. And, gotta keep, yeah, it's very delicate right here, so be careful. Okay. So it's a diamond on both sides, see? Isn't that cool? So if you like it like this, then you're done. But if you want to make one side be a heart, then it's really easy. All you have to do is you can just pick any side. I'll do this side. Take these two top creases and bring them together. And you don't fold all the way across, just fold. This is to taste, but just about like that. Okay? And there is the heart. Easy as that. Yep, so it's a heart on this side, and a diamond on this side. Yeah. And so, there it is. I think it's a really sweet model for Valentine's Day. And yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding this and find it interesting, and yeah, and make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, happy Valentine's Day.